Finishing carpet edges is usually done whenever there's a need to turn it into a rug. Besides, one major functional advantage of doing so is that it prevents the carpet from getting frayed by working as a protective solution. Carpet finishing can be done in various ways, and while none of them is a DIY project, still it's a lot of interesting info to know. Coming to the methods, these majorly include carpet serging, carpet binding and carpet fringing, nearly all of which require specialty equipment. Let's get down to knowing what aspects are involved within these methods. 1. Carpet serging. Otherwise known as overlock stitching, carpet serging is basically a technique that gives rise to a hand-sewn look of the carpet piece, though the procedure is of course, done with the help of a machine. Mostly manufactured area rugs feature this kind of carpet stitching. While carpet serging is somewhat of a more expensive method in comparison to the other ones, most importantly binding, the amazing outcomes, a high-end look are totally worth it. Speaking of the procedure, a carpet edge that has been serged appears as if there's been a thick fiber wrapping done continuously around it. There's a wide availability of color choices for this method, however the options are limited as compared to those that come with carpet binding. 2. Carpet binding. This method of carpet stitching, in the first place, is the most convenient and cheapest of all. Another plus point of this procedure is that you can also give it a DIY try and can totally master it with a couple of attempts. Moving to the method, a fabric strip, mostly cotton or polyester, is wrapped around the carpet edge and then stitched securely in place. Specialized carpet binding machines are used for this purpose, and there are multiple color choices available with this method. As for the DIY situation, once you've trimmed the carpet remnant, you can have the application of the binding tape around its edges in an increment pattern of 6 inches. You might as well need to make use of some hot glue at the adjoining point of the binding tape, for a perfect sealing. Carpet binding offers this perk that any kind of carpet match can be easily achieved with it. You can choose to go with contrasting colors, however it isn't a very good idea, since the added strip is super thin, making the overall appearance non-agreeable. 3. Carpet fringing. Fringing is a mandatory aspect of hand-knotted rugs and is a popular and widely done procedure. This method is also used for machine-made rugs, however in such a case, it only serves aesthetic purposes and not any functional benefit. While carpet fringing looks visually pleasing, it isn't a very favorable idea, due to the fact that it's the most expensive method amongst all. Besides, it's not much practical, as one might experience hard rug maintenance afterwards, the most common examples of which are rug ends getting stuck into the vacuum and frequent staining and soiling.